Namaste and welcome.
Namaste and welcome.
Today's video is all about shopping. First, I have 50 Hindi words related to shopping along with pictures, and after that, I will tell you 5 simple and easy Hindi sentences that you can use to shop anywhere. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after watching this video, check out some of my other videos. Let's start. The first word is market, which is called bazaar in Hindi. It is also called mandi when it is a fresh produce market.
Next word is shop. In Hindi, it is dukaan.
Open, khuli,
Closed, band.
shopkeeper, dukandar,
Customer, grahak.
address, pata,
Buy, खरीदना.
sell, बेचना,
Price, मूल्य और कीमत.
haggling, मोल भाव,
Cash, नकद.
coins, सिक्के,
Receipt, रसीद.
dozen, दर्जन,
One, एक.
half, आधा,
Quarter, चौथाई.
kilo is called kilo in Hindi also.
Quarter kilo, पाव.
3/4 kilo is teen pav. Teen is 3 and pav is quarter kilo. So 3/4 kilo is teen pav.
Fruit, फल.
Vegetable, sabji,
Flower, फूल.
bouquet, guldasta,
Water, पानी.
milk, दूध,
Sugar, चीनी.
salt, नमक,
pepper, काली मिर्च,
spices, मसाले,
cinnamon, दालचीनी,
turmeric, हल्दी,
medicine, दवाई,
utensil, बर्तन,
soap, साबुन,
clothes, कपड़े,
tailor, दर्जी,
socks, मोजे,
shoes, जूते,
slipper, चप्पल,
cap और hat, टोपी,
quilt और comforter, रजाई,
blanket, कंबल,
spectacles, चश्मा,
umbrella, छाता,
टेबल, मेज,
chair, कुर्सी,
बुक, किताब,
jewelry, गहने.
Now that we have learned the words, let's learn 5 simple sentences to go shopping. The first question is your shop open? And in Hindi, we will say, क्या आपकी दुकान खुली है? क्या आपकी दुकान खुली है?
The next question that we can ask is, what time does your shop close? आपकी दुकान कितने बजे बंद होती है? आपकी दुकान कितने बजे बंद होती है?
Once you know when the shop opens and closes, the next question is, do they have the product that you want? And your question can be, do you have name of the product? In Hindi, we will say, क्या आपके पास the product you want है? Let's see a couple of examples.
Do you have salt? क्या आपके पास नमक है?
Another example is, do you have water? क्या आपके पास पानी है?
Next question is what is the price? कितनी कीमत है? कितनी कीमत है?
Finally, after you have bought the product, if you want a receipt and want to say, I want a receipt, in Hindi you will say, मुझे रसीद चाहिए. मुझे रसीद चाहिए. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.